So I was just driving and I look out the window and I see a very interesting tree, which is the Manchineel tree. Now, according to the literature, the Manchineel tree is one of the most poisonous trees in the world, and it is found throughout the Caribbean. Another name for the Manchineel tree is, some people call it the devil's apple. Some people also make the joke that this is one of the plants that you can only eat once, because after you eat the fruit, you surely won't wake up. You've gone to a permanent sleep. So I'm going to show you the Manchineel tree. And I guess a lot of people, drive or walk past it and don't know. Because in the dry place, it's normally found on the coast and in the dry forest, and it's like a big, beautiful shade tree. And then it produces lovely fruits. So if you don't know what you're doing, you might poison yourself. So let me show you this tree. So this is the Manchineel tree. It just looks like any normal shade tree in the forest. And some people might go up close and say, hey, might look like a guinea tree. But when you go closer, this is how the leaves look. Look at it. These are the leaves. Green here. And shine at the front. Let's green at the back. And at this time of the year, the plant is also flowering. Yeah. So that's it. And if we go to the next section, let's look at the other section of another tree. So we have 1, 2 Manchineel here. This is how the leaves look. And the back of it, right? And this is flowering too. Ready to flower. So the next thing that we're going to be looking at, the bark. So according to the literature, the bark produces sap. The sap can burn you, and it's poisonous. So this is it. So let's go further. That's the bark there. That's the tree there. And that's the leaf. So let's do another thing. We're going to be looking at the fruits. So they say that the fruits look like apple. So let's look at it. That's the fruits there, green. If I go in the bush starving and I see this, I would want to eat it. So that's why they call it the devil's apple. And people eat it and then die. Then we have that one. So that's the fruit there. So let's do a recap. Wow. Oh, I see something on this on the tree. So on this tree, so this area where I stop is a game reserve. No shooting allowed by the order of NRCA. And that's NEPA stuff there, and they also have the number up. Pretty cool. So just remember again, the cute leaves. We got the bark. It's a beautiful shade tree. And we got the fruits here. And that's why if you eat this apple, they call it the devil's apple. So you just see what I show you about the Manchineel tree. It's found on the coast and in dry forest in Jamaica. It is found throughout the Caribbean. And one of the things in other Caribbean countries, what they do, they put up signage to warn some of the people. Okay, somebody just driving and come chill. A child might put that fruit in the mouth, very poisonous. I might cut the tree and the sap burn, or underneath it with rain or fall and the rain water mix up with the sap and can be poison, or some people have allergic reaction. So this is just me providing some information about the interesting plants found in Jamaica and the wider Caribbean. So make sure you share information about the plants that you encounter. And if you have a Manchineel tree, whether Jamaica and the Caribbean, you can share it. Remember to like this video and also to follow Roosters World JA on Instagram, TikTok, Blue Skies, and on Facebook and on YouTube. So I'll continue to share in the interesting plants and animals found in Jamaica. And I can hear a black whiskered vireo, aka John Chewit, in the tree making noise, and that is one of our summer migrants. So I hope you find the information useful and peace.